To my folks, family, and friends, this is Chart again from Lumakisa, America. First off, let's say hi to my family, especially my darling Reina, Nanette. We have Renee, my sidekick, my boy Riley, and my baby girl Rosie Rosita. Also, let us not forget cousin Peter, his wife Christine, and their son Keon, touring us to this wonderful city of New York. To this day forward, we are heading to the financial district of New York, Bowling Green Park in Lower Manhattan. The area surrounds other financial institutions such as the Wall Street, New York Stock Exchange, Federal Reserve, and the World Trade Center. The area where people flock to take post by the Raging Bull, also called the Charging Bull, the iconic symbol for aggressive financial optimism, or the can-do spirit of the America. Wow, I never knew the Raging Bull needs to be lined up like this just to take photos.
Thank you so much.
Oh my God,
This is the building?
yeah.
Did we go there right now?
Yes. Oh, we are at the bull, Riley. Look at this. I don't know what they're doing, but it's the Eddie. Oh, what the heck? That's crazy.
Dati walang mga vendors dito yan.
Mga cruiser bike. At Wall Street, located in Lower Manhattan, New York City, is the historic, iconic center of the global financial industry and home of the New York Stock Exchange. Spanning about 8 blocks, this narrow street is renowned for the New York Stock Exchange, high-stakes trading, and has led to them for the U.S. financial market.
Hindi. Yan naman Wall Street lang.
Ah, this is Wall Street.
Yan Wall Street. That's where all the
Gambling happening. Hindi, okay na.
wala namang nakalagay na. The Trinity chart. Doon sa San Francisco University.
City of Lights with Baby Renee.
It's a lot of lights.
Kala ko totoo eh. We are at the Lower Manhattan City. They're closed? Oh, Mommy, Dunkin'.
Coming soon.
On this walk, we are heading to the World Trade Center. Alrighty. World Trade Center! Yay!
GC.
Titignan ako. Picture muna ako.
Right,
Ito yung pinaka-building.
yan.
Akala ko itong dalawang to bumagsak. So, andito kami. We are at World Trade Center. This is where the building was before, and now it's gone. So, if you can see over there, two gray building, those were the World Trade Center tower was located. So there it is. This time we're gonna walk on the gravesite. This is the World Trade Center site, often referred to as the Ground Zero or the Pile. Immediately after the September 11 attacks is a 14.6-acre area in Lower Manhattan. This area became Ground Zero when one beautiful morning of Tuesday, September 11, 2001, it was transformed instantly in the morning when a hijacked airliner crashed into the North Tower of the World Trade Center.
Imagine.
When a second
When
airliner
the building
struck the
was just
South
here.
Tower 16 minutes
All the
later.
way up there.
What many assumed was a terrible accident was quickly shown to be a deliberate
That was a
act
scary
of
moment.
terrorism.
The globe.
The area is now a memorial center for nearly 3,000 Americans that perished.
You love the sculpture.
After a long day of walk,
Please do not climb on
here
that.
we are at the Oculus. It is actually Westfield Oculus. This is the Oculus art structure, designed by famed Spanish architect Santiago Calatrava.
Please. Rosie. I'm sorry.
An octopus.
They're taking a picture over there. Sorry, baby. You gotta wait until they're done. Okay?
Hey, look, Randy, that looks familiar.
Who is that?
Almost world.
Elmo's
It's like the almost world where the dog made ocean big moon.
Uh-huh. Grabe to ah.
Come on, come on.
Yes, take a picture.
The Oculus in New York, Westfield Oculus, is an aesthetically stunning transit hub that is home to the World Trade
So, dito
Center,
na yung train.
PATH Station,
Oh,
with
galing
trains to New Jersey, connections to 12 New York City Transit subway lines, and dozens of dining and shopping retailers. As part
Watch
of
your step,
Westfield
guys.
Shops at the Oculus.
Record ko to, meron ko sa likod ko. Dito yung puwete.
Westfield Oculus in New York City
Ito na yun.
is more than just a mall.
Ah, sa kabila tayo.
Westfield Shops at the Oculus builds itself as a community where shopping, dining, culture, art, and imaginative architecture intersect. Centered around the Oculus of the World Trade Center Transportation Hub, this Lower Manhattan destination features premier retail brands, restaurants with inventive cuisine, events, digital media, and a full state of services and amenities. In Westfield Oculus, there are more than 100 stores and eating establishments, including Apple, Starbucks, Eat Ali, Tumi, Stuart Weitzman, Lobster Press, Sephora, and Little Hunter Burgers are taking up residency in Lower Manhattan's largest shopping destination.
Really? Hold on, Ryder. Your mom wants to go in.
Ma.
Oh my God.
The Oculus is a great place to stop by before or after your visit to the 9/11 Memorial and Museum, the Survivor Tree, and the One World Observatory. This is according to TripAdvisor.
station. I'm going to 2 and 3, Day Street and Broadway. Yeah, I'm going to Day 3 and Broadway. It's going to be a surprise walk.
In this New York content experience, we've taken you to the 3 important landmarks: Raging Bull, World Trade Center and Memorial, and the Westfield Oculus. The day is not over for us, which is in our next content series. We will continue featuring our Bryant Park experience and then Times Square. Also, with much appreciation to the C family, Peter, Christine, and Keon. They have been on our side since then, in the morning, and we are forever grateful for the tour.
Then inside the Pay Station subway, there's more coffee shop. There's so many Dunkin' Donuts here.
For our folks, family, and friends, thank you for watching and supporting our channel, Lumaquis America. If you still haven't subscribed, your click below is very much appreciated. Your support really helps us grow this channel.
Brooklyn.
And also, do not forget to click the like button. It is the thumbs up icon below the screen. Until then.